Come on!
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
I don't like to die, but I'm scared to die.
Yeah, so regen is on.
But you're stupid.
You are stupid.
Stupid! Hey! Stupid Minecraft! Stupid!
No! Half a heart. Oh god, no. What am I doing? No!
Don't go to my face.
No!
Cannot go up. Where are you?
Aha. 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 Aha.
Are there?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You can't go outside. Don't go outside.
I'll go die. Bye.
No!
I not just.
Yun yung i-charge kasi isasara ko ito at paliguan ko si Amaya. Wak!
I saw you!
Wak! Doon sa hallway kayo
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Yes.
Look at my stuff.
Kasi papaliguan ko si Amaya. Yan, doon sa hallway. Yan. Okay?
Okay, don't start yet. I'll put back your stuff. Sorry for that weird thing going on.
You're gonna get my stuff?
I'm gonna put it here. Here, I'll put it here. Let's put it in the chest.
O yan, Amaya. Dali lang.
There. Okay, so yeah, 1 death for you. 5 lives. I forgot to tell you guys. 5 lives. Okay, I need to heal.
I need this.
I need to heal.
I need this one.
Which one?
I need this, the brown one.
What?
I need
What
this
brown
brown one. This.
What? No. Don't need. Okay, guys. This is part 2. Oh my god, I just fell in the lava. No! I forgot. I can fly. Get him. Oh, okay, save my stuff. Doesn't count.
I'm in dangerous.
Wait, I'll get my stuff.
I like to be in the blue one.
My death didn't count. My death didn't count. Because